Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sudarshan Kids. We will learn phonic sound of letters. Sound of A is
A.
A for
Apple.
Sound of B is
B.
B for
Boy.
Sound of C is C for
Car.
Sound of D is
D.
D for
Duck.
Sound of E is
A.
E for
Elephant.
Sound of F is F for
Fish.
Sound of G is
G.
G for
Grapes.
Sound of H is
H.
H for
Horse.
Very good. Sound of I is
A.
I for
Ice cream.
Sound of J is
J.
J for
Jug.
Sound of K is
K.
K for
Kite.
Sound of L is
L.
L for
Lemon.
Sound of M is M for
Mango.
Sound of N is
N.
N for
Nurse.
Sound of O is
O.
O for
Orange.
Sound of P is
P.
P for
Parrot.
Sound of Q is
Q.
Q for
Queen.
Sound of R is
R.
R for
Rabbit.
Sound of S is S for
Sun.
Sound of T is
T.
T for
Tiger.
of U is
A.
U for
Umbrella.
Sound of V is
W.
V for
Vegetables.
Sound of W is
W.
W for
Watch.
Sound of X is X for
Xmas tree.
Sound of Y is
Y.
Y for
Yacht.
Sound of Z is
Z.
Z for
0.
So how many vowels are in an alphabet?
5. A. E. I. O. U.
Good. And how many consonant?
21.
Good. Hope you like the video. If yes, then please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.